One big beautiful bill, a massive tax and spending package, has just passed a crucial vote in the Republican-led US Senate. The bill was approved on July 1 after Vice President J.D. Vance cast the tie-breaking vote. And the sweeping bill now moves to the House of Representatives, where it faces a tough battle. But what's inside it and how will it affect everyday Americans? Well, let's take a closer look at this. I am Shivangi and you're watching India TV. Key highlights of the bill: tax cuts and new tax breaks. The bill extends Trump's 2017 tax cuts with an additional $4.5 trillion in tax breaks. After passing of the bill, tax brackets become permanent. While there will be $6,000 deduction for older adults earning up to $75,000, on the other hand, state and local tax, that is SALT deduction cap, has been raised from $10,000 to $40,000. Moving on to military and border security, as per the bill, $350 billion will be allotted for border security, including $46 billion for the US-Mexico wall and $45 billion for migrant detention centers. Then there are changes in healthcare and food assistance cut as well. In order to offset the revenue loss from the tax cuts, Trump's bill targets the Medicaid program, which 72 million people rely on for health coverage. One of the big changes that the bill includes is the new work requirement for childless adults without disabilities. It is being said that due to the bill, Medicaid cuts could lead to 11.8 million people losing coverage by 2034. Then there is energy and environment rollbacks. The bill rolls back green energy policies, ending tax breaks for electric vehicles after September 30. Moving on to child tax credit. The bill increases the child tax credit from $2,000 to $2,500 until 2028. It also proposes new programs and future investments. For example, it proposes to establish Trump accounts for children, potentially depositing $1,000 into accounts for savings. Then it also proposes to allocate billions for space exploration, including the Artemis moon mission and Mars exploration. It also proposes increasing the US debt ceiling by $5 trillion, allowing continued borrowing to pay existing bills. Further, in a relief to Indian professionals in the US and NRIs sending money to India, the One Big Beautiful Bill has reduced the proposed tax on remittances. Originally set at 5%, the tax rate has now been lowered to 1%. This tax will apply to remittances sent via cash, money orders, or cashier's checks. And for Indian professionals, especially H-1B visa holders and green card holders, this reduction is significant. The US is a major source of remittances to India, with nearly 28% of all remittances coming from the US. Overall, though the bill has passed the Senate, it faces opposition in the House of Representatives, particularly over the bill's cost and cuts to essential programs. Some Republicans in the House are also uneasy about the bill's provisions, particularly those related to healthcare and food assistance. But President Donald Trump is urging his party to stay united and push the bill through before the July 4th vacation. What are your views on this? Do comment and let us know, and then keep watching India TV.